What's going on, people? Alex Thorn here, and this is Thorn Tech, and I wanted to take a really quick look at something that I've been curious about, an accessory for the Insta360 Ace Pro, the first one, which is what I'm filming this with right now, and that is this Neewer lens kit from Neewer, and it includes a polarizer, an ND16, an ND32, and an ND64. It looks like this, closed, nice little box, nice little case. And when it's open, one thing I'm already finding out about these is that you have to really secure them in place because they do tend to flop around. But when it's open, it looks like this. But what we are going to do here is I'm going to live show you what these look like. So ND16, and this may not be the best condition to show them, but we're going to try here. So when this gets placed on, you need a really, really bright scene, but you can still see me here. So we're still in good shape. But for these to work, you have to be in extremely bright settings. So this is ND32 right here. And as you can see, I'm much darker than I was with the ND16. And then we've got ND64, the darkest one. You can't see me at all. So this would be like for really bright settings, like if you were climbing a mountain with snow or skiing. And then we've got the one that I think I'll be using the most in my settings for what I do is the polarizer. And that is right here. As you can see, I've got a little bit more definition to me. Take that off. See, it's getting the background a little bit better here. There it goes, without the glare. I like that. Not too bad at all. So that is the filter kit. And if you want to pick yours up, I'm going to leave an Amazon link down below. Hopefully in the future, I can actually do some more content where we're outside when it's bright. There is snow outside right now, but it ain't like I'm in a mountain. I'm in the city of Chicago. So this is the polarizer kit. And if you're wondering what I have right here, as you're seeing on the little side view, is I've got my Lark M2 from Hollyland. And that's plugged in to this right over here. Get that to focus. That's the official Insta360 media kit. You can charge through there. And then of course, if you're wondering what this is from Telesen, and you can use that as well as a neck mount and as a kind of a holster tripod for unique situations like this as I have on top of my car. I'll leave links for everything down below. Once again, I'm Alex Thorn, and you know what I got to do. I got to rock out, play with some tech, and review it for you.